Yes, sir.
Okay. I will open that live server, then I will show you. We have text area, one tag, and meter, and other option is file we are discussing, and email also we are discussing that one yesterday. Radio box and like for file color, yeah, color picker is there. How we are choose a color picker from that by using form. Let's see. I will show you that one in that below. It's color picker. Okay. So input color. Okay. Wait. Yeah. Done. So input type is equal color. In that, I need to be written in that like dt inside. I need level. Wait, level choose a color. Okay. Yeah. In that choose color, we have color picker. When you click that color button, it will be select the color picker, and when you click on the any particular color, then it will be show RGB, red, green, blue. I already discussed with you what is RGB and how we are defining color, and we have 0 to 255, and R is 192, and like G is green is 33, and 33 is red, green, blue also. Okay, when I choose that one, the like value will be changed automatically. Okay, so if you require any color picker in that particular form, then you have to apply. One thing is that uh, many developer like senior developer are doing one thing is that when you choose the particular color, the color will be applied in the background. Okay, it can we can do that by using JavaScript and Bootstrap, all these things. Okay, so next we have to discuss meter. Okay, wait, yeah. Before that, meter, meter. Meter minimum, and we have maximum, max in that, and with it value. Okay, minimum it's 20, maximum 100, value is 60. Have you observed that one? This is the meter. When you give that value to 60, it's selected 60. If I hit an 80, it will be changed automatically. Okay, if I write inside the value it's 100%, 100, it will be color by 100%. Okay, so according to the requirement you have to choose where we are using meter. In that, if you enter any password in many website, weak password is like color by the red, and like strong password is color by the green, and poor password this color by the something in that. So you can designing a particular validation in that password when you when the user will enter enter to the any password in that particular box, in that input box is password, without entering like strong password, it will be so like red or any other color. When you enter a particular pattern will be like first letter will be uppercase, and like letter is length is 5 to 10, or like a one numerical value is the in that particular like password. All that if matches to the particular pattern, then it will be so like strong password. Okay, so in that time we are using in that. So next one things is that uh, type numeric. Let's see, input number. When I say, like written that dt, please enter a number. In that we have please enter the number. Okay, have you observed that one? When I uh, click the upper, it will be increased by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, whatever. You have to increase. If you require to decrease that one, you can decrease. If you want to return something, you can. Okay. So by using type number, we can type any type of number. Okay, and we have date, that time local, and we have month and week. So let's see how it's look. Input date and input date time local. I think someone asked me in the before in the starting HTML, how can I like without using JavaScript, how can I do like select a date, particular date, a particular date and time, and particular month. So by using input type. Okay, let's see input type. It's like month. Okay, and input type that time local and that time. What is the difference between? Have to understand when I show you like date and time, all these things. Wait, I will show you. So what happened? So in that I will apply some break in that, so it will be show me one by one, one below of another. Wait, I need break. Br. Okay, done. I will copy that break. I'll paste where I need. Okay, done. Let's see. This is the enter value. When you click that date time and date month, it will be a particular date. It will be selected date month, all these things. Okay, it's month only. It is date time local. Okay, in that format you can write by using HTML. If you require like more than that, like a particular like month, January, February, April, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, all these things you can write by using CSS, JavaScript. And also week, week like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. By using JavaScript, we can do that. Okay. So next thing is that we are discussing regular expression. So already someone is told that one. So where I when we are using validation for password validation, or like any name verification, means the name must be in that maximum 12 character, or like minimum 4 character, whatever you have to write inside that, it is also validation. Okay, so I will show you how regular expression work in that basic level. Then I will show you into pattern form how it's work. And the JavaScript, I will give you like login button and like user and password. When I click the submit button, my if my username and password will be in that validation form, pattern or my password, whatever I enter inside that. If it matches to that both equal, then I can submit that form. Without, I cannot. Okay. So at first I open my paint, then I will show you in the basic level what is like slash and like question mark, all this thing I will show you. Sorry, it's not required. Yeah. In that, I will show you how it's work at the basic level. Okay. So what are the by using meta character, we are doing like regular expression. So regular expression is used to verify the format of input value. Input value. Whatever value you enter inside the box, it will be verified by using regular expression. And regular expression is viewed by using meta character. Okay. So what is meta character and how can I use meta character? So meta character, meta chart, but it's meta character. Okay, you have to remember. And we have description. In the description, I will show how it's work. So first one is question mark. What is the meaning of like question mark in the regular expression? It defines zero and zero or one occurrence of a character, of a character. Okay, so it defines zero or one occurrence of a character. Okay, so what is the meaning of like zero and one occurrence? So I will give you example. Then you have to understand how it's work. Okay, all that I will input that all these things in that um, comment. Then I will see. Yeah, done. Next, I will discuss how it's work. Let's see. So I need input. For input purpose, it's password. Input. Okay, input type text I require. Inside that, I will show you. Inside that, I need pattern. It's like attribute. In that pattern, I will write COLOU question mark R. So what is the meaning of that? I already told you that one. What is the meaning of like question mark? It defines zero and one occurrence of a character. Okay, and if I given that ID, if I require, then I will write text. Okay, okay, open. Already, I think open it. Yeah, but it's showing me still now. Why? Wait. Mm, done. Not still. Okay, wait. I will in that I will create another file. Then I will show you. Wait, regular expression. I will create another file. Then I will show you a regular expression. A regular dot HTML. HTML. Then it's in that I require form. Wait, form. Inside that I need whatever I eaten. Inside that it's input type text pattern color. Wait, we got that one. Inside that I need form. Okay. So if I open that one in that open with live server, let's see how it's work and what is the zero occurrence and one occurrence. When I written R C O L O U R C O L O O R, I think what is that? Zero occurrence. Yeah, I will written that C O L O U R, right? C O L O U. Wait, I will copy that one and I'll paste inside that. C O L R R R. U, I think. U R. I need submit button submit. Please match the request format. Have you observed that one? Why it's show me in that format? If I like remove one U from that, let's see how it's work. Please match the request format. Why? Because it's defined 0 and 1 occurrence of the character. Means if I write 0 and 1 time, then it will be submit automatically. Okay. Let's see COLOU. If I write COLOUR, then it will be U is one occurrence. Once time I will return inside that. So that's why it's allow me to submit that. If I write COLO R also means you are not written inside that box, means it's zero occurrence. So if I submit that one, it's submitted. When I write COLOWR, then it not submitted because it not matches to the request format, because it's already I will define that question mark meta character. It's only perform when the character will be in the zero occurrence or in one occurrence. Okay, wait 2 minutes. Okay, anyone facing any difficulty in that, like to understand meta character and description, please let in the chat box, because we are discussing many more in that type one occurrence and zero occurrence or two occurrence, like two time occurrence, two time we have to write all these things like character. So if you any doubt regarding, you can ask me now. Okay guys, so I will discuss other one, meta character. No doubt. Okay, great. So next we have asterisk. Asterisk. What is the description of asterisk? It defines zero or more occurrence of a character. I will copy that and I'll paste inside that. It's better. It change only that one or more occurrence. Not zero, it's one, two more. One, two more occurrence. When I change that particular like question mark into the asterisk, let's see how it's work how it's work. Let's see. If I write COLOWR before it's not submitted, when I submit that button, it's submitted because it allow two character inside that. That's why COLOQUUUR. It's also allowed to submit because it is a one to more occurrence. That's why it's submitted. Okay. Okay. So next one is, what is the next? Next one is addition. What is the addition? Addition also one to more occurrence. I will not show you in the example. It's not required. Okay, you have to understand like automatically like it is a easy things you have to understand. Defines also one or more occurrence. Okay, it's same. If I paste that one and I will return one and more occurrence. Wait, one or more done. Next we have like slash meta character. What is the use of that? It is used escape sequence character for special character. What is the use of that? It, it is used as sir, if we put uh, put in like between like COLOUR like this also possible. Yeah, if you are writing inside that like C like asterisk OLOUR. So when you enter double C or more than one C, it allowed. If you write without C, means zero occurrence, then it not allowed. Okay. One thing is that maybe you think that I can apply both meta character or not. So it's yes, because all these meta character we are using inside that pattern. And different meta character by using without combination of meta character we are designing a pattern like the first character will be in the uppercase and I only allow like a uh, double a means one occurrence or like one zero or one occurrence means when I write like if you write like I only allow a alphabet only two times or like one zero or one times more not more than that. If you want I I, I want to allow a character a particular character more than one time then you have to write asterisk. So by using that different meta character we are designing a particular regular expression. In that particular regular expression we are writing in that pattern and it is the restriction to enter the password whenever you are entering the password in the registration time or in that like application form time. If you register for the government job or all these things you have to write a password. It will be in that different format and in the note uh, like developer write that one. The password must be in that 6 to 12 character and it include uppercase, numeric value and special character. Okay, so it is a like restriction. So by using that meta character we can do that. I will show you example how we are write using all these things. Okay, before that let's see. So sequence it is used sequential escape sequence, sorry, escape sequential escape sequence character CHSC or SCTER character or special. Okay. So what is the example of that? If I write example, let's see. Uh, if you write any particular like country code, country like mobile number, if you write any India like mobile number, it start from 91. So it not allow 91. So you have to write it escape sequence character by using plus 9. So that is used for escape sequence character. Okay. So next one we have slash d. Slash d. What is the slash d? It allow only 0 to 9. Only it allow only one digit. It allow only one digit. It is zero, starting from 0 to 9. Okay, not more than that. So when you write like slash d, it allow only one digit. Okay. So next thing is that slash capital D. What is that? It not allow any character, any it not allow any digit inside that. What is the example of that? It's example. You have to write wait is that yeah 0 to 9. Okay. By using that 0 to 9, if you don't want to enter any want to allow any numerical value inside that, so by using that you can do that. It's excluding. Okay, this symbols is excluding. Okay. Next one we have, if you write any excluding character like specific character. Wait, what is the character is that? Yeah. So it is excluding, including and excluding. Means without that you have to write. Including means with, in that format you have to write. Okay. So if you don't want to allow particular like A to Z alphanumeric, so you have to write excluding A to Z. Okay. If you don't want to allow any particular or like special numerical value, then you have to use inside that. Okay. So what is the uppercase and lowercase? If I want to allow only uppercase, then I will write inside that. It's like A to Z. It's capital letter. Okay, A to Z. Okay, for uppercase. For uppercase. Okay. If I write A to Z, it's for lowercase. Okay, done. Next we have if you want to allow both uppercase and lowercase, you can write A to Z. A is uppercase. Sorry, I think A is lowercase. Yeah. A is lowercase and Z is uppercase. Allow allow both uppercase, lowercase at first I will write, right? Lowercase and uppercase. Uppercase. Okay, done. Okay. So if you want to write only alphanumeric character, then you have to write like age A to Z, lowercase, uppercase A to Z. Then you have to write 0 to 9. How we can write? I will show you that one also. A to Z. Sorry, it's A to Z, A to Z, and 0 to 9. 0 to 9. It's the alphanumeric. Okay. So I told you, we are using for if I don't want to allow particular character, like I need to be use excluding symbol inside that. So how? Let's see. If I don't want to allow particular character A, B, D. Okay. So I will write A, B, D. Okay. In that format, uh, means it not allow inside the input box. Okay. If you want to not allow any particular character from A to M or A to J, A to N, whatever, you have to write inside that. Okay. Okay. So these are the regular expression. So by using that, we are designing regular expression. If you want many more regular expression, we have many more meta character in that. So if I give you all these things, maybe you are confusing. Go to the internet and you have to get all the meta character, whatever is there, and what is the description of that, what is the example, all these things you can get by the internet, in the internet. Okay. And one thing is that, and I already told you that one, that in the password we allow a particular character, like particular, not particular character, it's like uh, 5 to 10, 5 to 12 character inside that. So how we are write by using that, like numerical value. So if you want to allow particular numerical, sorry, it's particular, not particular, it's what is that, 5 only. You want to allow 5 character inside that, so you have to write 5. Okay. If you want to allow 5 to 12, then you have to write 5 to 12. It's 5 to 12. Okay. So by using curly braces, we can do that. So if you want to return starting, you know that, but like ending, you don't want to define inside that. So it will be according to the whatever you have to enter, it will be allowed. But if you want to restriction of up to the character, then you can. If you want to allow only 5 character, it's allowed. If you want to allow only 5 to 12 character, it will be happening on that. If you allow only for minimum 4 character but maximum is not defined till now, it will be like if you write 1000 character or 1 crore character, 1 lakh character, whatever you have to write, it allow. Okay. So these are the regular expression. So if I give an regular expression example, then you have to understand all this, right? If I write a number, I will restrict the number inside that. Let's see how it's happening. So it's I've written 44. One other country code, how we are returning inside that particular. It's 78906970 and 69. This is my number. How we can convert that particular number in that regular expression? So at first we need to be use excluding slash. Let's say escape sequence required. It's double four. Okay, double 91 is a escape sequence, so it's for double four is a escape sequence. So slash b, b for like digit, it allow only four character. It's 0 to 9. You know that it's okay. When I write four character, it allow only four. Means 7890. It's allow only four. After that, I want to allow four character. So I write inside that four. If I want like a particular five or like 5 to 10, whatever you have to write inside that. Then you have to write slash b. Inside that you have to write two. Okay. So in that format, you can write regular expression. Okay. We have a lot of like regular expression. If you go to the internet, they will give you many more regular expression, but I will give you basic understanding. So how, if you like see any of the regular expression, any of the pattern, then you have to understand how it's defining and how we are make the regular expression by yourself. Okay. So if you go to any particular website and you have to see any particular pattern, then you have to understand slash and like 0 to 9 and like if you see these things, then you have to remember like yeah, I already know that like 0 to 9 means it allows 0 to 9 like particular one digit character slash d, and like excluding symbol, all these things you have to understand. Okay. And we have like other meta character. If you want to allow like some special character inside that and whatever you have to use, so it happening on that. Okay. I hope you understand regular expression. Okay. And I will show you like a pattern in that like JavaScript, how it's work. Okay. And next we have to discuss Marquee tag. Marquee tag means it will be move left to right, right to left. Okay. According to your requirement, you have to use that one. If you have any doubt regarding like regular expression, you can ask me. Okay. I hope all guys are not in a meeting. Okay. कनिका मैम ओनली एक जैसे कि जो लोग रेस्पॉन्स दे रहे हैं उनका प्रेजेंट दे देना, जो भी लास्ट में प्रेजेंट दे रहे हैं आके, जैसे कि आगे प्रेजेंट प्रेजेंट बोल रहे हो उनको प्रेजेंट मत देना, क्योंकि वो अवेलेबल नहीं है मीटिंग में ही. ओके. 1 2 3 4 5 5 are active in that meet, other one not active. Okay, not a worry. She or he don't want to learn all these things, that's why it's not in the meeting. Not a worry, because it's easy to if you some interns are learn that, but it's better. It's some interns are don't want to learn that. It's also better, because if you go to an interview, they'll ask something. If you remember all these things, then you have to answer all these things. If you don't want or don't remember all these things or don't know about that, it's also be better, because you will be disqualified in that interview. It will be help to other like student also. Not a very about it. It's better. Okay. We are not spend a lot more time in that. I will show you in text area. Then I will show you all these things. In the text area, we have calls. It's like 30. Okay, we have row. What is 20? In that, I will write level. Level. It's please comment. Please comment. What happened? It's not coming. Text area. Yeah, it's coming. Please comment. Okay, have you observed that one? It's a box. You have to write whatever you want inside. So if you want to allow to enter any customer experience like feedback or like comment and query, whatever, so by using that text box you can do that. So What is calls and row? You have to manage calls according to your requirement. If I give 10, so it will be that 10. Okay. If I write like a particular like 5, I require 5 row inside. So in that format, it is defining. If you require more than that, you have to expand like the particular box. Then you have to write whatever you want. Okay. So for like comment and query and feedback purpose, we are using for the website Xperia. Okay. Next we have Mercure. What is the Mercure? Let's see. So Mercure, it's moving. Moving. Let's see default outlook. Have you observed that one moving is moving in that right to left? Okay. If you want any color, you can apply also. Not a worry about that. Okay. So I will show you some of the attributes we are using inside that Mercure. Okay. Then I will finish the class. Okay. Then our HTML also finish. Okay. Let's see. I need style, color, wait, red. Okay. And I have written hey, please read the message, whatever written inside that. Is it text? Okay. It will be like show me in that right to left, but I want to off or like right. So I have to write. If I write write RIGHT, let's see how it is left to right. If you write left inside that instead of right, then it will be move right to left. Okay. If I write off, let's see, it will be upward. Okay, it will go to the down to upward. If I require down, DOWL down, it will be so mean that down format. Okay, right. Yeah. So if you want to allow a picture inside that, and that picture, if you want to allow like moving the picture will be left right, right to left, and you can do that also. Let's see how. Mercure, and we have inside that you have to define image src dot slash picture. Inside we have any of the picture you have to select, and you have to give height and width, then it will be so better. Height, it's like 50 pixel, and like width also 50 pixel. Wait, have you observed that it's from starting from left to right? If I write like right to left, then you have to write RIG inside the detection. Okay, let's see. Okay, so according to your requirement, you have to give, and maybe in your mind have a question in that. So I want only it will be move only particular time, means a 10 time or 20 time or 30 time, whatever I want, it will be move a particular time. So I can do that also. We can do that all these things like uh, in that particular time I want to move, or like it will be written to the left to right, right to left, it will be written. We can do that also. Let's see how. If you want to return will be in that left right, and again not going to the backward, and it will be return to that. By using behavior we can do that. BEHAVIOUR, sorry, OR, it's not you are. Okay. In that you have to write alternative. Alternate. That's it. It will be going to the right to left. So we can manage also time also, because if you want speed, it will be move. You can also. What happened? It will be not written. Wait, I will check that one. It's behavior. Yeah, I need scrollment. Scrollment, I think. C R. Wait. Scroll amount. MOUNT. Means how many time I want to scroll that one? I need 10 time. Let's see it happening or not. Okay, it's not happening. Okay, okay. I will show you in the next classes tomorrow. Then I will start the tomorrow onwards. I will start also in the CSS. It will be taking 20 minutes to finish HTML. Then I will start that CSS, because it already in the 6 o'clock. Maybe any other interns are have a class in that 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock. That's why it maybe here she facing the difficulty in that understand. Okay, so we cooperate in that format. Okay, so anyone guys, any difficulty or any issue in that, you can ask me. So tomorrow I will finish that HTML, then I will start CSS also. Then like one more week we are finished in CSS, then we will start JavaScript. Like CSS taking 7 days. Okay, and we finish all this HTML CSS, then we have to go JavaScript and Bootstrap. Okay.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, can you please open the Visual Studio screen? I want to take screenshot.
I will share you that, but don't worry. Okay.
Okay,
If
thank
you,
you, sir.
yeah, if you like screenshot will be not more than that. That's why. Okay. I've written
Okay,
inside
sir.
like left to right. Na, that's
Please
why.
share
Okay.
the whole code.
Okay. I will share you form and regular string both. Okay. Now.
Okay, sir.
Let's
Thank you
check.
very much.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you guys for your attendance, for your like present in that meet, and for your patience.
And thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Bye.